Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you like my video, please click on like button, and please I request you, please subscribe my channel. White House Press Secretary Kelly McEnany folded under a simple question regarding a claim Donald Trump made that mail-in ballots for the 2020 US election were being dumped in rivers rivers and creeks. Where is the river? The reporter asked. Miss McEnany, rather than answering the question, launched into a defensive tirade, accusing the reporter of missing the forest for the trees and accusing him and others of lacking journalist courtesy. The other day, Mr. Trump said they found a lot of ballots in a river. Who is they? The reporter asked. Who is they that found those ballots, and where is the river? Anywhere in this country. McEnany claimed to the local authorities were that ones who found the ballots in a ditch in Wisconsin. The reporter asked if that meant that Mr. Trump misspoke, which McEnany denied. Then the reporter read Mr. Trump's quote back to her, in which he claimed ballots were dumped in rivers, creeks. All the point, Miss McEnany excused him of being short-sighted. I cover the news. I like to report accurately in the news, and the president says they found a lot of ballots in a river. I just want to know where is the river is. The reporter showed back. Miss McEnany then excused him, ignoring the large issue, which was alleged reports of ballots for Mr. Trump going missing or being left uncounted. She then claimed the press lacked journalistic courtesy, despite the fact that the reporter was asking her for further details. Apart from simply fact checking, the president asking for further details, particularly for a location for such a brazen event as people dumping ballots in a river, would provide the press with an avenue for further reporting and verification. Mr. Trump has also claimed that ballots are being sold in West Virginia. The president's frequent claims that mail-in voting is especially susceptible to voter fraud is not backed by any data or research. Lawrence Snowden, the director of the election reform program for the Brennan Center for Justice at the New York School of Law, told USA Today that Mr. Trump's constant attacks on mail-in voting are not only inaccurate, they are harmful. The electoral process, what he said was full